want to get one of those plates before they make it fucking illegal, man.
They are already.
Are they? Nah. Holy shit. Kia ora everybody, welcome back. Was trying to record it, but I realised I couldn't actually hear myself speak over the exhaust on this thing. So today, what we're up to, we're going to head down to a car meet, and it's supposedly a JDM car meet, and I'm coming in on a European motorcycle, so I'm not too sure how this is going to go. Typical Triumph shit. I don't know why it skips a beat like that. Kind of scares the shit out of me though. Ooh, you going? Nah. So I'll just get a little pick me up going. God damn, this thing is easy to speed on. Fucking hell. Whoopsies. Oh my god. So, anyway, Happy New Year to everybody watching this, because it is currently the 28th of December. The New Year is sneaking up on us very, very quickly, which is kind of scary, because I swear I can remember the last New Year like it was my birthday. My birthday was in September. But it was a year full of lessons. Like, when I tell you full of lessons, I can't even begin to explain that bullshit, but all I know now is my fucking high beam was on. That's what I know. God damn. All I know now is I want to pump out as much of this shit as I possibly can, and I've put myself into a position where I'm going to. You know, it'd be a bit nice if the sun was on that water so it doesn't look real mucky, but might even just ride past it. Oh no, I think I've already gone past it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's somewhere over there. In like Sexton Field or something. Which is not this way. But that's okay, I'm gonna go get a drink first. I don't see any cars running around. They're still already there. I was really hoping that I'd see at least something on the trip down here. Oh, never mind, there's an RX-7. That thing's fucking nice, man. Yeah. Hopefully we see some more of that. That was clean. What are you up to, fool? Yeah, I'm parking next to that. Nice Sylvia, bro. Fuck, that's clean. That's fucking really nice. Oh, sick. Everybody will be coming in to get their Red Bulls probably. Better make sure I got money for it. What one do I want? I want that one. Bro, I got clowned on the other day for wanting Dragon Fruit Red Bull. Kia ora. Just this one, thank you. Sweet, thank you. You too. Man. Oh, fucking rocket fuel. Pilot Sport 5s all round. I don't know if this is gonna fit in my pocket. Surely. Yeah. That scares the shit out of me, man. I don't know what the fuck that is, but guess we'll live. Damn, that's a thick exhaust. Holy fuck. I reckon we'll go just down the main strip for a quick tease. Actually, we'll do a sneaky go up here because I don't like this 40k an hour traffic. It's a beautiful day down here in the Tasman though. Look around. I am blessed to be living dead smack in the middle of just this valley. Like it's literally surrounding us. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, now. Yeah, let's go up there. That place looks fancy. Make a fucking ruckus through there. Nice, peaceful, fancy, well-groomed, fucking very well-groomed neighborhood. Holy shit. It's one of them ones. Whack. Oh man, that's a fucking, ooh. Had to grab onto that one. So we're currently on the way to the car meet. It's not too far away from here. I think it's just up the road and take a left at the end of the street. Fuck, should I be concerned with how much that's popping and banging? Because god damn. I don't know why I did that, what the fuck? Oh, I'm an idiot. I think, if I'm correct, it'll be in here. Oh, that's it down there, isn't it? Yeah, they got their food carts and shit. Nice Irish 3. That thing sounds rad. That's mint. Yeah. Oh, yo, there are motorcycles over there. Man. Some nice cars out here today. Holy. Crack this bitch open. Smacked a sticker on the helmet along with Cade. Right, let's check that out. I think I'll walk around here first. Yeah, that's nice.
We're sharing it. Durry's off as much fuel card.
Damn. Nice. What a fucking nice car, man. Beautiful. Turbo Miata. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Fuck, that would be fun to drive. Slammed on its ass. Slammed on its fucking ass. That's a clean. Nice. I think I've seen this thing rolling around a few times. Every time I do it, breaks my fucking neck. Ugh. Old Sylvia, I think? What is this? Yeah, old Sylvia. 2-ton. Dirty RX-7. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
beat the nice chassis, man. Yeah. Yeah.
5-7 WSM Force.
That's real fucking cool. Yeah, everyone's getting out here. What are you doing here, Samiti? What are you doing here in your fucking Mercedes, bro? At the JDM car meet. Oh, that's nice. Nah, here he is.
You're off on holiday now, eh?
Yeah.
Not featuring me.
Hey?
Not featuring me.
Do you want to feature?
No.
That's a nice E36. Real nice E36. Fuck yeah. Did you buy one of those? Oh, is that a Corolla?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, I'm
Would
sure.
I? They were cheaper, yes.
Yeah.
If I can drive manual, yes.
How much do they run for?
40, 50, 50, 60 probably.
Oh, fuck.
Excellent.
What do we at? What else we got here? We got Micah's Chaser. Shit, hello. And another 180. That's a tough 180. Even the license plate says so. We got Homeboy's Mercedes E63. That fucking. That's a terrifying license plate, cuz. No, E63. Same mags that I had on my C300. Same ones, bro. Yeah, except not 20s, this 19s. Yeah. That's nice. That's really nice. That's sick. What do you reckon, Smeety? I prefer these.
Which one?
I prefer the Europeans. I shouldn't say that.
I have two Japanese as well.
Yeah, but damn, that's fucking beautiful. I want to get one of those plates before they make it fucking legal, man.
Nah, already.
Are they? No. When they go through.
Oh, that's why I got one. Like,
Yeah, you. Oh man, I wouldn't mind this chassis, but fuck, not for the price
I'm
they
going to be
run
on his
for.
video now.
Hey?
Well, I'm going to be in these guys' camera now. Oh no.
You're famous, bro. It's a nice wide bodied, so it'll be over here. Ooh. That's beautiful, man. It's a cool Sora too, cuz. Oh sh. Yo.
I say it's my good. That black yellow thing.
Holy shit. That's red. It's fucking red. That means Zora. Quite like that 250Z as well. Wouldn't mind getting one back. I had one a couple of years back, blue one, but wasn't this clean. But fuck it, that's exactly what I would have done with it. Makes me want to keep my Z, bro. This fella saw me sell the Z.
We should go.
Down that way.
That's interesting. I don't think it's a 3 litre B in that motor.
Figured I'd come out. Yeah, I felt like a bit of a dick pulling up here on a fucking European motorcycle, bro. Hello.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Right,
Better
good to
get
see you,
going.
man.
Good to see you too, bro.
Good to meet you.
Yeah,
Right.
you do.
Have a good one.
Dog walk. You know what? An 0205s.
Alright, take
Right,
it easy,
brother.
boys.
Look after yourself, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
We'll see you again soon.
Sounds good, sounds good. Absolutely will.
Weapons.
Oh, we seen we were driving.
So, buddy, have a good
Yeah,
evening.
you do.
And she's out the window.
Right, cuzzies. Be well.
And I was like, yes,
Right, we are going back now. That was a pretty cool turnout. That's cool. That's real cool. The RX-7's still here. Nice. Firestorm. Fuck, that bike looks like it wants to kill you, bro. Oh my god. Okay.